Hey, what's up? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It is back. I don't know if you remember, about 4 months ago, I had this car in. I called this video Poppin' the Cherry. This car is basically a stock Mustang that we did a JLT, Detroit rocker cams, a calibration, laid down about 315 real wheel horsepower. We have installed our Paxton Throwback package. Let's watch a dyno pull. Before we do, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify and stay up to date. Check this out. All right, that's on 93 octane pump fuel, stock engine car like you normally see in here on a lot of these videos. And it made 495 real horsepower, 418 torque. I ran up to about 6,400 RPMs. Man, I kind of wish I would have went up a couple hundred more RPMs just at that magic 500 real horsepower mark. But hey, that's just a mental thing. It's just a graph. Car came out really good. 495 to tires, 418 torque. Let's go look at the engine. I want to show you the Supercharger and go over again the list of mods on this car, but it's going to be really fast on the street. I'm going to love it. He's going to love it. And let's go check it out right now. Now that's in your face right there. That's our throwback package. I used the Novi 1200 Supercharger. It's non-intercooled and it's a turnkey package. So we have this package on Brenspeed.com, and hey, don't forget in the description, I'm going to put a link to it. You wonder how much it costs to get installed, you can email quote@Brenspeed.com. There'll be a link in there. But this is a very popular package. It's our least expensive Supercharger package for a 3-valve Mustang. You're gonna get the Novi Supercharger. It's non-intercooled, it's upgradable. You're gonna get 39-pound fuel injectors, a fuel pump upgrade, Kohler spark plugs, and of course, like always, the proper calibration. You already have an SCT tuner, great. We can provide the calibration. If you don't, we include one in the kit. But this car basically has free-flowing exhaust, Detroit rocker cams, and that kit right there. So that's 495 real horsepower. That's pretty amazing on the stock engine, stock car, very reliable. I love it. And it's our most popular package, probably because of the price, but really what it does. So it's an easy way to add 150 horsepower to a stock car. A lot of times it adds more than that. It just kind of depends on the mods you have to go along with it. So if you have questions about this kit, of course, leave a comment, happy to answer. And then again, don't forget, please subscribe and notify. And that's all for today. I'll keep these videos coming out. Thanks for watching.